To copy a section from the content library into your notebook, you need to go to the section that you would like to copy. In this case, it's Chapter 1. You are going to right-click on the section and select Move/Copy from the menu. Then you are going to search through this list to find the appropriate location to put the section. Please make sure it goes into the correct notebook. I'm going to add this section to Jasmine's notebook. Then click Copy. The section will sync and it will appear in your notebook. Throughout this chapter, we will be adding different lessons to the content library. Since you already have a section for Chapter 1, you are just going to copy over each individual lesson. To copy a lesson, go to the pages in the content library and collapse them. Then you can right-click on the pile of pages and again select Move or Copy. Now you're going to find Chapter 1 in your notebook and click Copy. Another way that you can do this is by right-clicking on your pile of pages that you collapsed and selecting Copy. Then you can go right into the section, right-click, and hit Paste. And you've copied in the entire lesson.